What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Okay, so we're continuing on LOONA week. So this is going to be reacting to the second member of Odd Eye Circle. This is JinSoul. This is watching Singing in the Rain. A little bit about JinSoul. So she is a 97 liner. She is a main rapper, lead vocalist, and a visual, obviously. Pretty much all of them are visuals. Her designated colors are blue and black, which is interesting because there's two colors in there. Two colors in there. And her fish, her animal is the Siamese fighter fish. Needs to be kept alone. A little bit aggressive. Yeah, I assume that's why she's been designated that one. Yeah, so I'm excited for this one. I hope you guys are enjoying so far what we've got all going on. So without further ado, let's get straight into this video, guys. And I hope you enjoy. Oh, wow, okay, interesting. God damn, she's a visual and a half. She's got that kind of singy, rappy thing going on. Woo! Ooh. God, she is stunning. Where have I heard that? I've heard this before somewhere, but I don't know where. Yeah. I've not been watching the lyrics of this song, I'm so sorry. Her fish. Oh, rapper as well. That was awesome, I like her little raps. Can they all sing? is that a thing? Third favorite song so far. Woo! This song is produced so well. God damn. And that dripping reminds me of is it Babe by Yana? The visuals in that where it was like kind of bleeding, and they did it in Onion by A-Pink as well. It's a similar style. I know this was out before that, but you know. She's so good. Oh, that's not advised at all. Need to introduce them. Oh, damn, okay. Yeah, she's definitely a visual. This video is awesome. Like, the kind of visuals in it are so good. Between the blue and the black, and obviously being her colors and stuff. Damn. Song was fantastic. That chorus singing in the, that is so freaking good, and her visuals are no joke. Damn. that was very, very good. I thoroughly enjoyed it. This dancing's great, singing was great. The whole thing was fantastic. I am really enjoying everything that is LOONA, and I feel very, very humbled, and I appreciate you guys kind of sticking behind me for this. So LOONA Week's gonna be great. Has been great so far. So yeah. So thank you very much for sticking around to the end of the video, guys. If you have any comments, queries, or concerns, and requests, please put in the comment section for me, or hit me up on my social media, HostileGamerYT. Make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.